Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because we've got some news that's hitting car enthusiasts right in the feels. The iconic Dodge Challenger, the American sports car that's been tearing up roads since 1970, has officially been taken out of production. I mean, come on, is nothing sacred anymore? Now, for those of you who don't know, the Challenger has been a staple in the automotive world since the 70s. The current generation has been cruising since 2008, and let's be real, it's become synonymous with power, speed, and that unmistakable roar of a V8 Hemi engine. But alas, all good things must come to an end. The final curtain call for the Challenger was with none other than the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, the bad boy of the lineup. This beast boasts a mind-blowing 1,039 horsepower compressor V8 Hemi. I mean, forget 0 to 60, this thing does it in 1.66 seconds. It's so fast that by the time you finish saying, Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, it's already at 100 km per hour. But here's the twist, the last Challenger wasn't just quietly rolled off the production line. No, it strutted its stuff at an auction, and get this, it was sold for a cool $700,000 before it even saw the light of day. Now, the Challenger has had a good run, 15 years of pure muscle on the streets. And sure, in 2022, they still managed to move about 60,000 of these bad boys, but hey, even legends need to retire. The design might be a bit dated, but let's be honest. It's the kind of retro cool that never goes out of style. But fear not, gearheads, because Dodge isn't leaving us hanging. The torch is being passed to an electric successor, the Dodge Charger. I know, it's not quite the same as the roar of a V8, but hey, it's the future, and we've got to keep up with the times. Now, for those of you sitting on a vintage Challenger, pat yourselves on the back because those babies are becoming more valuable than a rare Pokemon card. Case in point, a 71 Dodge Charger convertible with a 7.0-liter V8 Hemi sold for a whopping $1.43 million at auction. I mean, who knew your old car could turn into a retirement fund? So, here's to the Dodge Challenger, the legend that brought us years of tire smoking, engine roaring joy. And as we say our goodbyes, let's remember the good times and look forward to what the future holds, even if it's a bit quieter and electric. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Cool Ideas for more updates on the ever-evolving world of wheels. Keep cruising, my friends.